Hi everyone, I am Ganesh Kundekar. We are starting a new topic today, and the name of the topic is Introduction to Hydraulic. In this video, I am going to cover definition of hydraulics, definition of fluid, classification and properties of fluid, and Newton's law of viscosity. Definition of hydraulic. Hydraulic is a Greek word which means water. It is a branch of engineering which deals with liquid at rest or in motion. The word hydraulic generally refers to power produced by moving liquid. Modern hydraulic is defined as use of liquid to transmit power, modify forces, produced motion. If we are using the liquid or moving liquid to transmit power, modify forces and produced motion, then it is called as hydraulics. Definition of fluid. It may be defined as substance which is capable of flowing, which means when a substance flows from one point to another point on application of shear force, then it is called as fluid. When we say fluid, we mean that gases or liquid. It means fluid doesn't mean that they should only be liquid. Gases are also treated as fluid. Classification of fluid. Fluids are classified into 5: real, ideal, Newtonian, non-Newtonian and ideal plastic fluid. Real fluid. A fluid which is compressible, has viscosity and surface tension is known as real fluid. A fluid which has properties like compressibility, viscosity and surface tension is called as real fluid. All fluid in practice are real fluid. Means all the fluid available in nature are real. Example: water, petrol, oil, etc. Ideal fluid. A fluid which is incompressible, not having viscosity and surface tension is known as ideal fluid. It is exactly opposite of real fluid. The fluid which does not have properties like incompressibility, viscosity and surface tension is known as ideal fluid. It is an imaginary fluid. There is no such fluid available in nature because all the fluid available in nature has some viscosity. Newtonian fluid. The fluid in which shear stress is directly proportional to rate of shear strain, which means the fluid which obey the Newton's law is called as Newtonian fluid. In this, shear stress increases with increase in rate of shear strain. In this, viscosity remains constant. Viscosity will not be changed. Example: water, oil, alcohol, etc. Non-Newtonian fluid. The fluid in which shear stress is not directly proportional to rate of shear strain. It is exactly opposite of Newtonian fluid. The fluid which does not obey the Newton's law is called as non-Newtonian fluid. In this, viscosity not remains constant. Viscosity will not be changed. Example: corn flour. When we add water in corn flour, it will change its viscosity. So it is considered as non-Newtonian fluid. Ideal plastic fluid. If shear stress is more than yield value and shear stress is proportional to rate of shear strain, such type of fluid is called as ideal plastic fluid. Here, shear stress is proportional to rate of shear strain, means it obeys the Newton's law, and here shear stress is more than yield value. So it is called as ideal plastic fluid. Toothpaste is a best example of ideal plastic fluid. We need to apply some yield stress or force to flow the paste from the tube. Then it flows. Properties of fluid. Some of the properties of fluids are density, specific weight, specific volume, specific gravity, and viscosity. Density. It is defined as the ratio of mass of a fluid to its volume. Thus, mass per unit volume is called as density. It is denoted by rho. Mathematically, rho is equals to m divided by v, where m is mass of fluid in kg and v is volume in meter cube. So, unit of density will be kg per meter cube. Specific weight. It is defined as the ratio of weight of a fluid to its volume. Thus, weight per unit volume is called as specific weight. It is denoted by gamma. Mathematically, gamma is equals to W divided by V, where W is weight of fluid in Newton and V is unit volume in meter cube. So, unit of specific weight will be Newton per meter cube. Specific volume. It is defined as the ratio of volume of fluid occupied by unit mass. Thus, volume per unit mass is called as specific volume. It is denoted by V. Mathematically, V is equals to small v divided by m, where small v is volume in meter cube, m is mass in kg. So, unit will be meter cube per kg, and it is reciprocal of density. So, it is also denoted by 1 divided by rho. Specific gravity. It is defined as the ratio of weight density of fluid to weight density of standard fluid. It is denoted by S, and mathematically it is given by rho divided by rho W, where rho is weight density of a fluid and rho W is weight density of standard fluid. It is dimensionless. In liquid, water is considered as standard liquid, and in gases, air is considered as standard gas. Viscosity. Viscosity is a resisting property of liquid due to shearing force. There is a friction between two layers of liquid which is flowing. That resisting property of liquid is called as viscosity. Newton's law of viscosity. It states that shear stress on a fluid element layer is directly proportional to rate of shear strain, which means shear stress increases with increase in rate of shear strain. Mathematically, it is given by tau is equals to mu into du by dy, where du by dy is velocity gradient or rate of shear strain, and mu is equals to coefficient of viscosity. Classification of fluid and properties of fluid is important as exam point of view. Thank you.